Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have a box. This is Lip Balm 5-pack. Tested in the USA. Moisture and soothing. Does it have the expiration date? Let's see. Alright, there it is. Different flavors. Labels coming off. Let's see, we have watermelon, coconuts, pineapple, grape, strawberry, peppermint, orange, and vanilla. It does not say when it expires. Pretty sure these expire. But yeah, that's the box set. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.